In today's video, we are going to show you how to back up your ClickUp data, especially if you are using ClickUp to manage your tasks and projects so you never lose your important work. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do once you are logged into your account, I want you to hover to the top right corner where you can see your profile icon. From here, I want you to hover to the settings. And then in the left side area of the navigation, I want you to click the Imports and Exports option. This will forward you to a new page. Now, you need to select the source of import if you want it, okay? But the most important thing that we wanted to make sure that we have the backup for our any ClickUp data is to click the Export instead. Here, you can download a backup copy of everything that is related to your ClickUp Workspace. As you can see, you can get a CSV export of your workspace data. You just have to select a location, which is going to be your workspace. So you have, well, in my case, I have two workspaces, and the data that I wanted to create a backup is this one right here. I'm going to click on it, and then what will happen is that click the Start Export. This will prepare your data, and once you're happy with that, you can simply download the exported data so you can never lose your important work and you have a backup in case of any issues or problem. Right here. That's one way. Another option that I am going to show you is simply go back to the left side area of the navigation and go to the workspaces. Now, in this case, you need to make sure that you are in the list view because by default, your projects and tasks can be in the team view, calendar view, and board view. But for now, I want to make sure that you are in the list view because if you click on it, there is an option here to export, which is similar to the option earlier. From here, you can download the entire data into a CSV format, Excel, and you can choose the following option at the bottom. And once you're happy, click the download button. And basically, that's how you back up your data here in ClickUp. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and we will see you again in the next video.